Welcome back to another KS Racing video. In today's episode, we'll be going through how to use the mechanical backup switch in any instances where your remote control's not working, the phone's not working, or the ECU's not working. Having the backup switch allows you to plug it in, adjust each of the four corners individually, and this is just activating it straight via the solenoids, not going through any of the ECU. So let's get going. So step one of the procedure is on the top, there is the cable for the ECU. On the top of it itself, there's also a safety lock, so you press down and then you pull it out. So disconnect that cable there. Step two is on the top, the USB Bluetooth block. Remove that one first, take that out. Next is on the top, to get this cover off, 2mm Allen key. Loosen them up, and then you could disconnect this top cap. Following that step is inside the kit you would have also received a mini torque screw, or some people call it the star. On the left and the right of the ECU box there's two screws, so unscrew those. Let me just get this one out, undo that one. Now once the top screws are unscrewed, same as the side ones, you can gently lift up the ECU lid. Just be gentle as there is still cables and wires connected to it. So I'd suggest putting that back softly. Go to the backup switch. So on backup switch, there is ports on either end. You want the ends with the 8 square holes. You get the cable that was included in the kit, plug it in. There you go. So that's one side connected. On the other side, you connect the main ECU cable to the other side of the backup switch. So let's just do that. So once you connected, you have one side of the ECU cord going to the remote. The remote's got a cable as well. On this side of the cable, gently lift up the ECU. Gently lift it up. On the bottom here, if you can see, there's another port with 8 square holes in it. Just go into it, plug it straight in. Just like that. Now with that everything all plugged in and the car has power, you can adjust any four corner just using the switches up and down. There you go. That is how to use the backup switch on the KS Racing air suspension system.